Hi, everyone. Welcome to another Eden Moment. I'm Evy Cugelman. I'm an active Eden mentor, educator, and guide, presently retired and living in Ancaster, Ontario. I'm a gerontological nurse with a focus on living with dementia, and my last position was life enhancement specialist, providing education and consulting to nursing homes for opinion management and then Vivage Senior Living in Colorado. I have also been doing holistic practice for 43 years and particularly therapeutic touch for 30 years. In the past couple of weeks, you have heard from my dear friends Hope Carwell on managing stress, Sandy Place on breathing techniques, and Mel Coppola on how words make worlds and managing our inner dialogue. All essential for health, but there is also something else vital in staying healthy. At any time, but especially now, it's vital to keep our immune system strong. Unfortunately, this has not been part of our protocol from our primary care physicians. Our medical system is based on symptomatic relief or cures when possible. But we aren't taught how to really boost our participation in maintaining a strong immune system. Wikipedia says wellness is generally used to mean a healthy balance of the mind, body, and spirit that results in an overall feeling of well-being. The term has been defined by Singapore-based National Wellness Association as an active process of becoming aware of and making choices towards a more successful existence. Wellness is a choice. It means taking control of your old life in all aspects. So in our self-care, there are some things we should need to know. One is about the microbiome, which is a community of microbial life, bacteria, fungi, and viruses living on, in our body, gut, skin, organs, and blood. It is established in the first 6 months of life and is affected by diet and lifestyle after birth. It communicates with the immune system and the nervous system. One cause of chronic disease is chronic inflammation, which is caused by imbalance in the gut microbiome. We are an ecosystem, and we know that because of artificial intelligence. Our DNA produces 20,000 genes. Our gut microbiome produces 2 to 20 million genes. That means we are less human and more of an ecosystem. 90% of our health is determined by social, behavioral, and environmental factors, and 10% is determined by medical intervention. The microbiome affects many bodily functions, including metabolic rate, hormone regulation, immune system, ability to absorb nutrients, thyroid hormones, and even mood. There are up to 1,000 species of bacteria in the human gut microbiome, and each of them plays a different role in your body. Most of them are extremely important for your health, while others may cause disease. To have a healthy microbiome, you need to eat a range of different foods and organic if possible, like in particular legumes, beans, and fruit, which contains lots of fiber and can promote the growth of healthy bifidobacteria. Eat fermented foods such as yogurt, sauerkraut, and kefir, all containing healthy bacteria, mainly lactobacilli, and can reduce the amount of disease-causing species in the gut. Eliminate your intake of artificial sweeteners. Some evidence has shown that artificial sweeteners like aspartame increase blood sugar by stimulating the growth of unhealthy bacteria in the gut microbiome. A diet high in processed foods and added sugars can decrease the amount of good bacteria in your gut. And this imbalance can cause increased sugar cravings, which can damage your gut still further. High amounts of refined sugar, particularly high fructose corn syrup, have been linked to increased inflammation in the body. So eat prebiotic foods. These are type of fiber that stimulates the growth of healthy bacteria, and it includes artichokes, bananas, asparagus, oats, and apples. Breastfeed for at least 6 months. Too late for some of you. Eat whole grains and try a plant-based diet. Take a probiotic supplement, which are live bacteria that can help restore the gut to a healthy state. They do this by reseeding it with healthy microbes. Fix the gut and people get better. Something else you need to know about is functional medicine. And this is a new way of approaching healthcare. It is the primary driver of chronic disease is the interaction among genes, activities of daily living, lifestyle, and the environment. This problem can't be solved by drugs and surgery, however helpful those tools may be in managing acute signs and symptoms. It can't be solved by adding newer unconventional tools such as botanical medicine and acupuncture to a failing model. We must integrate what we know about the human body and how it works with each person. It's so patient-centered, person-centered. It's science-based care that addresses the causes of complex chronic disease, which are rooted in lifestyle choices, environmental exposures, and genetic influences. But there's one more thing you need to know about this, and it's the study of epigenetics. Epigenetics, very simply, is the study of biological mechanisms, that will switch genes on and off. In other words, you can turn your good genes on with a healthy lifestyle and turn your bad genes off, and vice versa with an unhealthy lifestyle. Good news, you don't have to get the chronic conditions of your family. You have a choice. So healthy, balanced foods, stress reduction, at least 7 hours of good solid sleep, exercise, and having a positive attitude are essential to maintaining a strong immune system. And we all need that, especially now. Thank you for tuning in to our brief but amazing Eden Moment.